Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to prevent someone from unhiding rows in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data you can see the row number 678 is hidden. Okay, so you just select the before and after row to unhide the row. So I select the before 5 and after the 9 row and simply right click on the row lines and click on the unhide option and you can easily unhide these rows. Okay, I press here the Control Z, undo the action. And now if you want to prevent someone from unhiding the rows in Excel, then you can use here the different trick. Go to the Review tab, okay? Then in Protect Group, click on the Protect Sheet option. Enter the password, so I enter here the password. Click on OK, re-enter the same password and click on OK. Okay. Now right click on the row number. Okay, I just right click on it and here you can see your unhide option is invisible. Now here no one unhide your row. Okay, so this is a way you can prevent someone from unhiding the rows in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.